Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. Today, it's been about a week and a half since we've been in the field due to rain. It's been raining like on and off every day. So we got some stuff to fix on the grain platform. The frame of the cutter bar broke on here and Dad's got it a new piece in, welded up on the top. Just gotta get it on the bottom, but we gotta put it on the combine for that. We're hopefully gonna be running beans. I need to move the semi so that I can get to the straight truck. I need to pull that around and power wash the inside out because through the summer it hauls everything from scrap metal to horse manure. So I gotta power wash that out, bring it around, bolt the tailgate closed so that we can haul grain with it, and then it'll be ready to go. Hopefully have 2 contracts still with our local elevator. We have a 4,000 bushel contract that is halfway filled now, and then we have a 1,000 bushel contract that we also have to fill before December, I think. So we got some time. This truck still has an air leak, so we gotta let it build up with air this morning. We got the 8430 on the grain cart. Weird and very inconvenient, but we're drilling wheat this fall, which we don't usually do, so we have the 4960 on the drill. That also has all of a sudden started leaking air, and that needs to pump up as well, just not as much. Well, that was a long drive. Yep, dirty, dirty, dirty. I'll get in there with a broom first and sweep it out, and then I'll power wash it. Got it all washed out. Looks nice and pretty. Now I'll go and pull it over to the shop. We'll slap the bolts in the tailgate, and then we usually have to spray foam the cracks so that grain doesn't leak in between the box and the tailgate. Got 4 bolts plus 1 shiny one. I don't know what that one's for. So they go, there's a hole there, there's a hole there, there, and over here. And it just kind of evenly cinches the tailgate down. I'm in the combine now and I am running beans. I just finally got the combine tuned properly. I'm not throwing almost nothing out the back, and I'm getting a fairly good sample yet in the front. I'm running 2.5, 3 miles an hour. The stalks are nice and dry. Get some grassy spots every now and then, but yeah, this is a pretty nice field. Nice, easy to do. easy headlands. Moisture is about 15.1%, somewhere in there. So right now we're just filling the truck. We don't know what we're going to do with the beans yet right now. Chances are we're going to be putting them in the bin, but the bin is not ready. So I'm just going to run beans, fill a truck, see how long I have, or see what time it is in, and yeah, we'll go from there. So this will be fun. So right now I have on my Command Pro stick here, there's a 1, 2, and 3 button. Right now they're set 1 is my turnaround header height. So when I get to the end of the field, I'll hit 1 and the header will come up to a certain height. It'll stop recording on my yield monitor, and then I get turned around and I hit 2, and then it'll bring me down to where I want to be on the ground, and then it'll automatically adjust to the contour of the ground when it's down there. So pretty slick, pretty cool. This is my first year running with a header height control. Our old combine had it, but the wiring had gone bad, so never had it technically. I never ran it. So this is pretty awesome. You can fly. You still gotta compensate for rocks, but other than that, pretty good. Right now my fan speed's at 850. My cylinder speed is 300. And my concave clearance is right around 38. So that's all my settings that I've got it dialed down to. I haven't really gone over details on this combine yet. This is a 2001 John Deere 9550, and it's got 3,900 engine hours on it and 2,400 separator hours. It's a pretty nice machine. It's doing a good job for us so far. Came with the 25-foot head. We just picked up a 643 John Deere corn head with all poly on it, so that's really nice. Tried it out. I was able to shell corn at 4.5 miles an hour. This has got the Green Star yield monitor in it, which it's not 100% accurate all the time. Sometimes it gets a little wonky. Like right now it says I'm running 150 bushel beans. That's not right. I wish it was, but it's not. Moisture's on par most of the time. Right now it says 15.3. It lines right up with our portable tester. This is our first dump. Here comes Dad. We are almost done with this first 16-acre field. Let's see. Just about there. Still plucking along though. I got one more dump and then I will fill the semi, so this field should fill it. I think I'll have a little left once the semi is full. And then right on the other side of the tree line there's an 11-acre field. We'll knock that out hopefully tonight. And then yeah, once I finish this field though, I'll probably grab the semi and take it up and go get the grain cart and bring the grain cart back. Plugged the feeder house once, was able to reverse it and get it completely unclogged. So yeah, doing good. Still got a nice sample coming out the back. Can't really see it because of the lighting and there's not a lot in there. I just dumped. So that truck is completely full, about as much as it can be. I'd guess there's 850 to 900 bushel on that, so pretty good. Got about 2 passes left, I think, 3 passes maybe, and then I jump over to the 11. Dad's going to get the grain cart, and hopefully I can knock this 11 out tonight, and then we'll see. It's supposed to rain tomorrow morning, like early morning, like 1 to 5 or something like that. So see how much rain we get. There's only like a 40% chance, so if we do get rain, I don't think it'll be a whole lot, and maybe we'll be able to run later on in the afternoon tomorrow like I did today. I didn't finish the 11 acres, and the combine's broken. So I was just going along, and all of a sudden, kaplunk, and everything stopped. And if you look up there, let me see if I can show you. There's a drive shaft right there, and she is completely busted. There's a U-joint, and the U-joint is completely gone. Let me get up there for a closer look. Right there. Yep, you can see it. There you go. And then found out this belt right here is riding off the pulley, and so we need to fix that. And so this belt's toast. We're gonna replace the belt nuts to it, since you have to take all the shields off for that belt as well. That's all tomorrow's project. Luckily it's supposed to rain tomorrow morning, so we're gonna have a break anyway. But it's not always great, because who knows, we could be down for a while. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and please like this video, because yeah, just like the video and subscribe. See you next time.